So hi guys, mo ato mi sa casino daw na ako ni casino diri. Before mi mo ato sa airport kay among check out diri karon 10 PM. Kay travel mi gikan diri sa Manila ano sa airport o Clark Airport kay 4 AM. Pa Dubai na mi guys. What floor is that, honey? Ground floor?
Ground.
Oh, okay. Is it a big casino? Or not really?
Okay. There's only
So, nami sa Midori
some
Casino and Hotel. There is sa Clark, Angeles City. So, we're going there now, guys. Kay pag natog ko akong bana ni adto siya dito.
It is there.
Oh, it's raining, I think.
There.
Okay. Okay.
See that door?
Yeah.
Go around. No, go around.
Okay, here.
Yeah.
Wow. Unsa man diri eh? Fish pond o unsa ni diri? Wa jud mi ka kuan kay diri man kay dali ra gid kay mi diri. Kay larga din mi. Is it okay to take videos inside or not allowed, sir? No?
Hindi po.
Okay. What about here? Okay.
Yes.
So, they're not allowing me to take videos inside the casino. It's a big no-no. So, daghan siya darig tubig, guys. Kung ba na dito ay nanigarilyo pa. Maragi ka nag-uwan. Mupad siya pagmata na ko. Asan naman to kung bana eh? Huh? Honey! When I want to get inside, they're not allowing me. Okay, but it's not allowed also to take videos inside the casino. Yeah, I asked them if it's okay if I take videos there. They said no, mom, not allowed.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll get the free water and
Huh?
take free water.
Okay. Yeah, but it's not allowed to take videos inside. Maybe for the privacy also in here, Hana.
Yes, for the reason.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.